hey, the point of this problem is just to do a leading coefficient test. Like, what does the leading coefficient do in this problem to my end behavior? It's asking for the left and the right hand behavior of this graph. Can you guys write that down right now or tell your neighbor? Just make a commitment to an answer. Go. So yesterday we talked about this table. If I draw a really quick version of this table, I would draw an x and y axis in each quadrant, and then I would have this thing going on here, and then this is degree. This is odd. This is even. Is the degree on this one odd or even? It is odd because it's a -3. Okay, we don't care about any of the other terms. We only care about the highest exponent. So because it is odd, we know that we're going to go down, up, or up, down. But how do we know which one is which? This one is a positive leading coefficient. This one is a negative leading coefficient. One way I remember this is ends. Ends. A capital N. You see capital N? You see the end behaviors on the capital N? That would fit this one right here, which would make sense because the N is right side up. That's a positive thing. If I do my N upside down, it would be like that. It would have the N behaviors up, down, and that would be negative. And so look at my leading coefficient for this one. Now remember, we don't care about the other terms. We only care about the term that has the highest degree, the highest exponent. What is the degree or the sign of that leading coefficient? Negative. And so that means we're going left side is down and right side is up. Down. I'm sorry, I messed that up. I gotta switch it. It's up and then down. So this is the left side, right? That's up. This is the right side. That's down. Okay, now that is the lame, non-mathematical way to write your answer. This answer is right and it is correct, but it is not written mathematically. We should be writing it like this. Left side, right side. And this is up or down, and this one is up or down. Okay, remember this axis goes up and down. This axis, the axis for the x's go left and right. And so if you're saying x is approaching negative infinity, that's the left side. That would be this side right here. And both of these graphs have an approaching negative infinity side. They also both have an approaching positive infinity side. That would be the right side. Okay, so if my left side right here is facing up, what is f of x approaching? It is approaching positive infinity. That's right. So this is my vertical axis right here. If we're going up, that is approaching positive infinity. If we're going down, that is approaching negative infinity. And so what is the right side doing? Down. So negative infinity. This is the better, more mathematical way to say the end behavior.